Right guys, I'm back at that unit that I won in that last video I was showing you guys. So I'm here now. This one was $41. Thought I was gonna be able to get it for $1, but I won it for 41. Let's check it out. So looking at it, doesn't look great. Got the couches. Usually I don't bid on stuff with like big, furniture, like couches and stuff. But I just, took a gamble on this one. It's empty. Looks like there's more empty boxes. This is like kid stuff. Looks like there's some clothing in here. Maybe I can get some, something out of that. This, I think, it's just garbage. And empty box. I assume these boxes were probably empty, so I'm not really too surprised. Looks like there's some like glasses cases in here. What's this? Philips Gold Gear. I don't know if that's worth anything, but like trash. I'm gonna start going through stuff. I don't know what this is. Lantern? I wonder if this lantern's worth anything. But I'm gonna start going through these things here, and then I'm gonna check out the couch. Maybe like put it together, see how big it is, and see if it's any good. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. So guys, this one was a bust. Pretty much just garbage. I found this Jamaican money, $50. So that's like probably the best thing I found in here. This is all just like, this was garbage. This was just like shitty clothing, kids clothing. This is all junk. Even this thing is like not worth anything. And there's a couple jackets that I pulled out, but they're just in bad condition. So, and even this couch is not even in good condition. So probably wouldn't get any money for it. So I'm just gonna have to come back tomorrow. I'm gonna have to rent a truck and just just go take everything to the dump. Basically, there's just a couple things here. Like I found a couple video games. These are like $5. And then I found this I looked up. If this works, maybe this will be worth some money, but it's not in good condition. It's all scratched up, so I don't know how much I even get for that. This, I don't know, this isn't worth that much either. This is just like a Walmart. I might even just like throw this out too. And there's like a kid's jacket, Abercrombie. This is like the only good jacket I found. So that's basically it. So this one I probably shouldn't have even bid on. But yeah, that's how it goes. Next one I bid on, I'm gonna have to like really make sure that I get a good one. But I mean, this one I only spent $40, so it's not too bad. The only thing is like the extra work in loading all this stuff up and going to the dump. So that's like kind of a pain. That's why I was kind of hesitant to bid on this one, because of the couches. And yeah, I should have passed. But that's how it goes in this business, I guess. So I guess that's the video, guys, but stay tuned for the next one. All right, peace. Right, guys, so a little recap. That unit was not good. I'm gonna have to go back tomorrow. I'm gonna rent a truck, rent a U-Haul, go back and clear it all out, and then just go to the dump, drop it at the dump. So that'll add to my cost, probably like another $120. So that was a loss. I want to show you guys the wins, but also the losses as well, because it's gonna come with doing this, right? I mean, this one I wasn't that surprised. It was just a gamble, $40. So I wasn't that surprised that it wasn't good. I was kind of hoping the couches would be a little bit better condition, because I was thinking of, if they're in good condition, then I might just keep them, because I want to get a new couch. But they're like beat up, so And also, I was also thinking like I could put them on Facebook Marketplace, have someone pick it up even for free. But thinking about it a little more, I just didn't want like the hassle of doing that. I just wanted to like done it, you know. So go back tomorrow, finish up. But I still feel like my strategy is good. Going for the taking the gambles on the cheaper units, $40. Usually, I like when I do those. I like to get ones where there's no big furniture or anything like that, right? Then I could just do it one shot. Like if that didn't have couches, I could have just done it one shot and be done with it, right? $40 down the drain, but you know, whatever, right? So I probably won't take another risk on one like that for a while, just because it's a headache getting the van, you know, renting the truck. But yeah, I still think my strategy is good. Go for the cheaper units that look like they have like, you know, good upside, and you know, here and there you hit good. I mean, a lot of the units that I've done really well on, like my best units, were cheap. So I think the strategy is still good. Rather than like spending a lot on a locker and then you know tying up money, and because a lot of the items in the lockers, like they don't sell. A lot of stuff doesn't sell super fast. Like some stuff does, but a lot of stuff, you know, it takes time to sell, right? So I don't want to tie up a lot of money, and then also too, it's more risk, right? If the unit doesn't pan out to be good, you could lose more, right? So I still think that my strategy is pretty good. But yeah, this one sucked. It was not good. So I hit a couple thrift stores. I didn't really find anything. I found this shirt, Roger Federer, got the RF. If you ever see these in the thrift store, pick them up. This one was only $10, but these sell really for a lot of money. Like this one I seen listed, there's only a couple listed, $200 to $300. But I don't think I'll get that. I'll probably get maybe like 80 to 100, but still pretty good. So yeah, if you see these shirts, I found a few of them before. It's probably like the third or fourth one that I found at the thrift store. So yeah, so if you see those out there, pick them up. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video. But appreciate all you guys for watching, subscribing. If there's anything you want me to do a video on, any topics like eBay, reselling, storage units, anything like that, just let me know. Drop in the comments, or if you have any questions, drop in the comments. Appreciate all you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.